Welcome back to Cars and Bikes Updater. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic street fighter motorcycles of 2026, the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. Known for its unmatched blend of power, agility, and advanced tech, the 2026 edition takes performance to a whole new level. Let's explore why this bike continues to reign supreme in the naked bike category. At the heart of the Tuono V4 1100 Factory is the same soul-stirring 1077 cubic centimeters V4 engine that has been fine-tuned to perfection. Producing a staggering 175 horsepower and 89 lb-ft of torque, this beast delivers relentless acceleration while maintaining smooth, manageable power delivery. Whether you're tearing up the track or carving through twisty backroads, the Tuono V4 offers a ride like no other. With a top speed exceeding 165 miles per hour, it's a bike that promises thrills every time you twist the throttle. The 2026 model retains the unmistakable styling of the Tuono lineup but adds fresh updates for a more aggressive and aerodynamic look. The sharp, twin LED headlights with integrated DRLs, a streamlined fuel tank, and the revised tail section all contribute to a design that's as bold as it is functional. Every angle of the Tuono V4 screams Italian craftsmanship and attention to detail. Advanced electronics are a hallmark of Aprilia, and the Tuono V4 1100 Factory is no exception. The bike features the latest iteration of the Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC), offering multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, cornering ABS, and even cruise control for long rides. The large TFT display keeps you informed and connected, with smartphone integration for navigation and music. Handling is where this bike truly shines. Equipped with a lean Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension, the Tuono V4 adapts instantly to road conditions, ensuring a plush ride on highways and razor-sharp handling in corners. Brembo Stylema brakes deliver phenomenal stopping power, giving you full confidence when pushing the limits. The lightweight aluminum frame and swing arm further enhance its agility, making it one of the most dynamic motorcycles in its class. Let's talk price. The 2026 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory starts at $19,499, offering exceptional value for a motorcycle with this level of performance, technology, and craftsmanship. It's a machine built for riders who demand the very best in power and control. That's the 2026 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory, a motorcycle that perfectly balances thrill and sophistication. What do you think of this legendary street fighter? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cars and Bikes Updater for more updates on the latest bikes and cars. See you in the next video.